a city where concrete's king, we teach the wild ones to sing. Survival skills under the stars, in the heart of the city's scars. Learning fire by the river's edge, in the shadows of the night. Teaching youth to find their strength in the face of life's tight fight.
Put on the wind, and then you pull the string, and it like pulls your skin together. That's exactly what we're making.
Water purification, first aid, and how to build a tent. Urban
In order for direct pressure to work, you typically need to hold it on there for about 15 minutes.
Passing down the knowledge, standing tall in every season. Fire and water, shelter and aid, bugging out when times are bad. We're the pioneers, standing tall in every corner of this land. Teaching youth to stay true, to face what comes our way. Guiding them through the storm in every kind of way. In the heart of the city, we show them how to thrive. Finding food and clean water in the midst of the strife. Learning to navigate in the dark of the night. Teaching to survive in the face of any fight. From the depths of the forest to the edge of the sea, we guide them to the shore to find their destiny. Passing down the knowledge like a torch so bright. In every corner of the earth, we light the path just right.